Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how to delete your DieStreams account. To delete your DieStreams account, go ahead and open up your DieStreams application first. Once you're logged into your account, go ahead and tap on the hamburger menu at the top left, and from the menu, click on the gear button at the top right. Now at the bottom, you will see an Accounts tab. Simply tap on it. This will now ask you if you permanently want to delete your account. If you want to do that, click on Delete in red. Remember that by deleting your account, you will lose all of your game progress, virtual goods, and all of your goods that you've purchased will be removed once the process is completed. To confirm that you want to delete it, click Delete once again, and then you will be taken to support.diestreams.com website. Enter your email address that is associated with DieStreams. Write down the subject and the description that you want to delete your account permanently, and finally enter all of the information needed on the form, and then finally click on Submit in order to submit your deletion request. Your account will then be scheduled for deletion, and once deleted, your account cannot be recovered. So that is how you can easily delete your DieStreams account in just a couple of steps. If you found the video helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tutorials from DieStreams. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.